Hey everyone, if you're trying to get Adobe Flash Player working in Google Chrome, follow these quick steps. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and click Settings. On the left-hand side, click About Chrome. Make sure your Chrome is fully up to date. Click the three dots again. Go to Extensions, and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Flash Player for Web. Look for the one that matches this icon. You can show it on screen. Click Add to Chrome. Then add extension. After installation, restart Chrome. Click the extension icon and make sure it's enabled. If the first one didn't work, go back to the Chrome Web Store, search for Flash Player for Chrome, add that extension as well, then restart Chrome again. And that's it! Your Flash content should now work properly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.